Hi, bitch. Yes, and you're again with me. Ayoko sa'yo, Dok ka. Oh my gosh, I can't believe myself. Yes, guys, you know our topic for today? Again, I'm your spiritual teacher. Why? Because I'm gonna teach you how you're gonna feel this life again. Yes! Ikaw nakikigamit ka ng Netflix sa iba. Hindi ka nagbabayad monthly, nakikigamit ka lang. Promise? Open mo yung account mo. Panoorin mo yung Tales of Princess Kaguya. Japanese Ghibli Studio. Oh, di ba? Pinanood ko yan few nights when I was sick for like a week. And you know what? If you're gonna watch that, it says there, di ba, ayan yung movie. Sa baba makikita mo what kind of movie it is. Is it imaginative, love, or is it drama, di ba? Eh ako, si ate mo, of course I'm a content creator. I'm an artist. I'm so creative. So every day I look for inspo. I look for inspiration. Yes! So I watch that. And, you know, guys, ladies and gentlemen, I was so enthralled. Yes, I was in awe when the princess said that she wants to feel this life. Ano kasi siya myth siya. So, there was this couple sa mountain. Wala silang anak. And then, the husband is a bamboo cutter. So, nagka-cut siya ng bamboo. And sa all of a sudden, may lumabas na bata sa bamboo. And then, na-amaze sila. Inalagaan nila. Pinalaki nila. But the thing is, every now and then, every seconds, lumalaki yung bata. Ang bilis ng paglaki niya. Even yung mga taong nakatira dun sa hills, napapansin nila yon. So, yeah. So, anyway, that's the full story. But what I love about it is that she came there to experience human experience, being a human, though she's a goddess. Okay? Everything is just parang itong life na to, panaginip siya. If you really come to think of it. Okay? Now, aside from sharing you this, when I was young, I was with my sister and family. It was, I think, December 24, Christmas. I was then like 6 or 7 years old, okay? My sister, MCL, the sister, was screaming on top of her lungs. And she's like, oh, may nakita ko. Kasi this is no lie dahil 5-6 kaming nakakita. Okay? Dun pa yun sa old toilet ng grandfather ko, which is nakaseparate siya sa bahay. So then, lahat tinawag ko kapatid ko and cousin. And then we look at the window, nakita namin may mga angels na nagfa-fight. Parang may silvery color and white, tas may wings sila. Sa sky out of a distance. So hindi mo yun gagawin. Hindi ka parang, dahil bata kayo, di ba? No, I wish there was video during those times because that was 90s. I was 1998, 1999. Shit, napapansin nila yung edad ko. Millennials. Teka lang yung sipon ko. Yes, you guys. Tapos, diba, if you're gonna check out on UFO extraterrestrial ngayon on YouTube, I know maraming mga fake, conspired, diba? Pero, actually, meron siya. And so, I have those kind of thing na nakikurious ako bakit namin nakita yon. And then, syempre, you work na, and then nakalimutan mo na siya, back ka na sa reality, and you're working na because you're paying the bills, diba? Anyway, now, I got the time to relax more and rest more. And now, like I told you, nagkaroon ako ng time to check more on my spiritual to nourish it, okay? And then, may mga time na minsan nagsisynchronize yung mga bagay sa paligid ko. Parang nagko-connect yung mga dots. Parang binibigyan ako ng answer and insights every time, whatever I do. And so I prayed one time, I was in the toilet, God, can you show me my angels? Can you show me my spiritual guides, please? Pero kasi ako, medyo matatakotin ako. Dahil lalo na ako lang mag-isa nakatira sa bahay. So sabi ko, pwedeng huwag niyo akong takutin. Ako pa naman, spiritual things, they connect with me through my dreams. Guess what, guys? I had a dream. Nagpakita sila sa akin. And again, they were in the sky. Pero iba-iba yung sizes nila. And parang yung mga King of Spades sa baraha, di ba? Kung ikaw nagtutongits ka, aminin mo. Yes, yung mga cards, yung Joker, yung Queen, yung King of Spades, ganun nagpakita sa akin. Tapos iba-iba yung size nila. Tapos yung itsura nila, parang, alam mo yon, parang 5D, parang nakikipag-communicate sila sa akin. They're showing me na, oh, I am there. Yeah, so anyway, guys, I just love the fact that whenever I have dreams or I want something or I wish for something, I get insights from my dreams and from everything that I do, from watching movies, inspirations. Because, our brain is so unlimited, right? When you are an artist, when you create something, you're kind of rebellious. You've kind of, you take something out of nothing and then you create something. Yes, ikaw may angels ka din, hindi mo lang alam. Kaya may mga bata nga na nagtataka ka, nahulog, pero parang may sumapo na angel, di ba? Minsan maaksidente ka, pero you're able to avoid it. And that's why, pay attention around you. You have an angel, okay? Listen to your Black Lady Goddess.